Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create automatic captions in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So if you're looking for automatic captions so that you don't have to do much work in captioning your videos, then this is a video for you. All we have to do now is go here, click here on this panel, and go into Captions and Graphics. And now once we are here, we can see this workspace right here. So we would need to go into Transcript first. We would need to go into Transcript first, and we will go and transcribe our sequence. So click on Transcribe Sequence and click on Transcribe once you're done setting the settings right here. So in my case, I'll just go for English since this is an English voiceover and the speaker labeling. So if you have a lot of speakers and you want to separate them so that the AI would label each speaker, then you can do this. But I don't think this is very accurate, so I don't really recommend this. And you can go for audio analysis. So what audio or what audio tray you would like the AI to auto caption. So for example, if all your dialogue is in audio 1, then you can select audio 1. But you can also go and mix if you want it to be on all on all audio trays. And you can click on transcribe once you're done, and it will now transcribe it right here. So all we have to do now is wait. And as you can see, we have now right here, we have the script. And when we go, and you can see, and if everything is correct right here, so we can edit this if you would want to. So I think I'll just gonna go and edit this. It's a man walking in a beach. And this is how you create automated captions in Adobe Premiere Pro. So I think this is pretty accurate. So once you're done with this one, then you can click here on create captions so that it would now be converted into captions. And you can go for this presets right here, but what I recommend is just this one right here. But you can also experiment with the others if you want to. But let's just stick with the default one, subtitle default, and you can go and expand this. For preferences, you can go for subtitle format and so on. You can go for styles, but you can also go for maximum length in characters. What I recommend is just this one right here. And yeah, I think the default is already good. And the minimum duration in seconds, so it depends on what you want right there. And for the lines, I prefer single instead of double. So I'll just go for single. And yeah, I think I'll just leave it be and create captions right there. And now let's see. And now we have it right here. So when we play it, this is how it would sound like and look like. And you can see the captions right here. This is the captions or the subtitles. And let's play it. Hello, everyone. This is a man walking in the beach. And this is how you create automatic captions in Adobe Premiere Pro. So yeah, that is basically how you do it right here. And you can edit your captions right here by clicking on it right here. And you can go for backgrounds right there so that you can see it more clearly. Let's go for opacity right there. And we can go for this one. And we can go for that. And let's make it bigger. And you can go for text fonts right there. So let's say this one right here. And you can set this. So you can just go and set this into the other caption. So for example, this is not yet applied into this caption. So you can just apply it by clicking on this one right here. And all captions on track, click OK. And now it is applied to all captions. So when I play it, it's now like this. Hello, everyone. This is a man walking in the beach. And this is how you create automatic captions in Adobe Premiere Pro. And as you have noticed, it is only single line because that is what we have selected earlier. So if you want to be double line, then you can also select that. So that is basically how you can create captions in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.